Hey there, students, gather round. I've got something to say. It's a bright and shiny day, so let's start the right way. I see you understand the rule about the phone's respect, but somehow tablets sneak out next like I wouldn't detect. Yeah. If you're scrolling, scrolling, scrolling when you should be on the grind, or chatting, snapping, swiping, yep, I promise I will find your TikToks, online shopping, the whole digital parade. And that means paper and pencil, cause that's how the game is played. Yeah, you've got tech for learning, not for drifting off the track. We're here to work our brains today, the real kind, not the app. If your screen becomes a portal to your socials or your store, then I'll slide it to the side and we'll go analog once more. If you're scrolling, scrolling, scrolling when you should be doing work, or filming sneaky deals thinking I won't see you lurk, your laptop gets a timeout, your tablet takes a rest, and suddenly it's pencils out. Old school is still the best. So show me what you've got today. No shortcuts, no escape. We'll focus, think and learn a bit. You might even make my day. And hey, if we nail this thing with distractions put away, we'll have the chillest lo-fi vibe in school today. Okay, yeah, if you're scrolling, scrolling, scrolling when you know it's not the time, you'll hear this little jingle like a gentle warning sign. But keep it real, stay on task, and we'll keep things smooth and fine. Let's rock the room the right way with those pencils on the line.